I am making a delicious Bata Fish Curry, also known as Bhangon Fish Curry. This is a home style recipe, simple and full of flavor. Let's get started. Okay, so first take 500 grams of butter fish. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of garlic, ginger and green chili paste. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and 1 teaspoon of salt. Also add 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. Mix well so that the fish is evenly coated with the marinade and set aside for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, heat mustard oil in a pan and then fry the marinated butter fish until golden on both sides and then keep them aside. I fried boiled potatoes with 1 teaspoon turmeric and 1 teaspoon red chili powder. I had already added salt while boiling. I heat oil in a skillet, add crushed bay leaves and cumin seeds. Then I stir in onion paste and the leftover marinade. Add tomato paste, stir for a few minutes. While the curry was cooking, I fried 2 to 3 chopped onions and 1 green chili in a separate pan and added them in. Next, I will add the fried fish and potatoes to the curry. Add the required water and cook on low heat for 5 to 10 minutes. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and salt to taste. Finally, Bhangon Fish Curry is ready to serve with rice.